Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the last update was I got an injury in my leg and have some crazy exams going on, and I've not gone out since very long. I'm not dressed pretty, and now the season is good. We have flowers outside and everything. So I'm thinking of going out. So yeah, let's get ready with me. I don't want to make a shorts because that sucks. I want to make a long video. First of all, I need to decide what dress should I wear. So let me pick out the options and show you guys. Hey guys, please forgive me for the angle and everything. I'm very sleepy. So I just don't know what the angle. So I have two options with me. यार ये तो उल्टा है. Please excuse me for this messy behavior. The first option is this dress. This pretty yellow dress. I love yellow color. When I was little, my mom used to get me yellow colored clothes and I used to hate that. But growing up, I just love yellow color. And the second is this one with the white top, but I think I've worn this before. I want that also before. Today I feel like wearing yellow, so I'll be wearing yellow. We'll wear yellow. Also, I think that it is very important for people to go out. Yeah, so let me first iron this dress. I got this from Paul and Practice because that's a secret. I'm so sorry for my behavior. I'm really sleepy, so please pardon me for every action of mine. I don't know what would I wear with this. Like in my foot, I do not have any slippers. I only have pink shoes over here. So maybe I'll try to style it with the pink shoes. If I could, even if I can't, I don't care. Like who cares? If I'm wearing a yellow dress with pink shoes, does anybody cares? No. What will people do? They will judge me. But that's okay, let them judge me. That's none of my business. If I do not have any other, if I want to wear pink shoes with a yellow dress, who are they to judge me? And even if they do, I don't care. Because those are the most comfy shoes. Because those are the only shoes I have here, okay? I don't have any other shoes. If you have any problem, please give me some new pair of shoes and new slippers. I hate wearing slippers because I don't know, every slipper I wear, they just break. Every slipper breaks off. I don't know why, but I walk very pathetically. Ironing this is also a very difficult task, but I'm still doing it. I am not going to give up on me. Never ever. I'm not going to give up on things which makes me happy, like going out. And whenever you feel lonely or sad, guys, please make time for yourself. Even if you don't feel like getting ready and going out, because the way you dress and the energy you put in dressing yourself matters, and you feel really good. Now I was sleepy and now I have started to wake up from my sleep because I'm going to get ready and because I'm ironing a very pretty dress. So yeah, this is what I want to say, guys. Please bear with me. This is how I have ironed it. मुझे इतना ही आता है और मैं इतना ही कर सकती हूँ. Let me get ready and then wear it and then show it to you guys. Hi guys, so I have worn this dress and this is how I look. I hope I don't look like a nanny. I look so pretty. पता नहीं, I have washed my face. I feel a bit better. I still feel sleepy. But let's do some skincare. I keep my skincare in the fridge because when I apply it, I feel it's thandi vibes. So yeah, please ignore the pillow on the chair because my back hurts. Sitting here and studying sucks. So yeah, I don't have for the skincare. I don't know how to do skincare. So please, no one will judge me. It's nice skincare. I have this measurement and I am grateful and I'm happy for whatever I have. Okay. खत्म नहीं है इसमें है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है. This is called vitamin C serum. I don't know what I like before medicine. Yeah, for skin. but then I eat food from outside, and then it gets worse. Then I stop eating, then it gets better, then I repeat the cycle. This is not sponsored, so I will not show you the brand. I know you've already seen it. No one will copy me, okay? Please bear with me, guys. You might have seen me talking very beautiful things about life, and this is also personality of mine, okay? I am clumsy, and I am irritated, and I am cranky at times. That's okay. You just need to feel what you're feeling. No need to suppress your emotions. Moisturizer. If anyone wants to know what I'm applying on my face, a moisturizer. What do you apply after a moisturizer? I do not do like foundation and stuff, so sunscreen. Just the sunscreen. Also, it is getting hot in here and I have my fan switched off just because I want to shoot a video for you people, so please appreciate my efforts. Otherwise, no worries, I'll find someone better. Please forgive me for this pathetic behavior, guys, please. This is what is it? Sunscreen. I think I should shift my camera here. Yeah, now I look better. I don't know if I look better or not. What do you apply after that? I don't know. Maybe some blush or something. No, I don't know. Firstly, let's do some lipstick. This because my lips are chapped. On this I'll apply lipstick. So smart. Firstly, I'll do the outline with a little darker shade, then a subtle shade in the middle. I just know this much makeup only. If anyone wants to question or comment on this, feel free, guys. I think I look nice. My lips look nice. The lighting is not that good, that's why you see all this weird, like whatever. But yes, I look pretty. Now for blush, I have this tint, but this doesn't spread well. If I'll apply it, it will stick here only, and it will look like someone has slapped me. So I do not apply this. I take the lipstick and just like this. This. Nice, simple. You guys please subscribe my videos. I'll get money and I'll buy new makeup, okay? If anyone thinks what she's doing, this is so pathetic, that's your business. And I'll take a little and apply over my eyes also. I don't know what else people do. My ring light just got off, and now bear with me, please. What else should I apply? I have nothing else to apply. That's it, I guess. Maybe I should comb my hair a bit. I don't know. How do you comb your hair? Should I do a little braids or just keep it like this? I can do little braids here, a little braid here, and apply little pins. Let's try it. If it looks good. I don't know. Actually, my friend has already left her house and she's on her way, and I'm doing this stupid shit. I don't want to be late because I respect people and I prioritize the time, but I don't know. और मुझे हिंदी भी आती है, अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि सिर्फ इन अंग्रेजी में बोलती रहती है, पता नहीं क्या करती है. So that's because I have some people who do not understand Hindi. So that's why I speak in English, and also it helps me improve my speaking skills, so why not? Because if you see my previous videos, you will notice that I take various cuts in the videos because of the fact that I was unable to speak very smooth, but now I don't do that. I cut because I speak wrong, not because I'm not able to speak. I speak well. Maybe this one. Oh, does it look good? I don't know. This one. Sorry, guys.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Should I do 2 colors or more than 2 colors?
You tell me, like, you guys tell me, what should I do? Maybe I should keep a little pink. We'll do a pattern like this again and blue again. Yeah, I look so pretty. पता नहीं यार असलियत में तो मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ, ये अच्छी लग रही है खोल दूँ, I don't know. Should I apply hair serum? नहीं यार फिर. No overthinking. You look pretty. But should I like keep them? I don't know what should be done with this hairs. Now I need to wear my shoes. I don't want to apply any kajal or anything. And I'm confused about this, so I just call my mom and ask her. So this is the final look, guys. I don't know if I look good with these pink shoes. But I am confused about the bags. Whether I should take this one. Or this one.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
I don't know. I think I should go with this one. Goes a little neutral. This will go with this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.